There's something small blocking that drain. Stuck in there. So I thought it was gonna be easy because it looks like whatever it is, it's hard. So unplug it and take care of this wire first. Cut it back for them. They don't need it. The outlet, they don't need it too long. The outlet's right behind it. The cord ready to go, nice and short. Got a nice little wiggle. Got a screw on the ground. So got the ground wire screwed down in the exact same spot. Now just to wire it up. Gonna spray it down into the condensation pan. I was messing with the zip tie and it all ended up draining out. But hit it with some nitrogen. Look at this. Clay almost, clay. I don't know if that's that putty stuff that they use or what. Clear now. Good. Plug it back in. Start some defrost. Let's kick it out. Oh, wrong button. The cord is just perfect. Not bad. See that not yet. This is all that clay that came out, I guess. Hard.